So here in this video, I want to show you how to manage screen and sleep time on the Microsoft Surface 5. To do this, first we'll need to click on the start icon, navigate to the settings, then look for system and enter power and battery. Then you'll be able to find screen and sleep, and we can manage 4 different settings. There's on battery power and when your charger is plugged in, and 2 different category of settings: turn my screen after and put my device to sleep after. You can change all of them by clicking on the pop-up next to the corresponding setting and then pick your amount of time. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.